Beautiful. So we came to a nice and crucial moment of the menu. So basically, we're gonna make you some tea for coffee. Meanwhile, the main dessert is being made. So we start with the tea. We have some caléndula, which is like in the family of the ginger. So it's nice, a little bit more sweeter roots, I would say so. Unlike the ginger, which is quite nice and strong and spicy. We have lemongrass, which is coming from our garden, and lemon also coming from Phuket. So the tea is nice and soothing, helps with the digestion as well, and we make a nice fresh infusion and then serve you the infused tea already. On the other section, we have the coffee. Coffee we like to do it grinded a la minute. So we're going to serve two types of beans, and we do it 360 style. As bean, we serve Arabica and we serve Robusta. The Arabica is coming from the northern part of Thailand, from an area which is called Mesas. Basically, it's 100% single origin. Obviously, Arabica is very well known for its boost of aromas and flavors, which gives to the coffee. Unlike the Robusta, it's coming from Paklok, from Mr. Pete's farm, which is making the sweet meat. And Robusta is more known to give a full body, a character, and a kicking of caffeine into the coffee. This 60 style represents a nice, elegant way of serving the coffee. So we're going to do a filtered coffee, and we're going to serve it for you. Now, I would like to know if you would like to go for a tea or for coffee. Tea? Tea?
Coffee.
Yes, of course. Welcome. So we start by weighting the beans. So obviously we're going to do a more ratio on the Arabica than on the Robusta. So for one person, 15 grams of coffee will be enough, and that's going to be about...
Sorry for interrupting.
Don't worry.
Have you been to a Scottish cafe called Old Hag?
No.
It's spelled AULDHAG.
No.
You need to go, it's amazing.
Okay.
Like breakfast spot.
What is that?
It's called it's like a Scottish cafe.
Oh, we're not talking Thailand, right?
No.
I was like, and now you tell me about that spot. We are
a big place.
going to wet the beans a little bit. I'm just going to toss them.
Old Hag. It's unbelievable.
The actual cafe.
Yeah. Both. They sell beer, they sell coffee, tea, and like breakfast sandwiches.
And then we are going to
incredible.
grind the onions.
I haven't been yet. But my old boss has a restaurant there. So I did plan to go, but I never got a chance. Yeah.
Freshly grinded
Amelia.
Nice and smelly.
She's got a
So once this step is done,
beautiful place.
on the sides, we're going to put the filter
Especially for food. I'm really
360.
doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to recommend everybody to go to Aslan.
Okay, yeah.
I was actually not a huge fan of the food, but the experience, like whole package,
Yeah.
very, very good. Yeah, I took my parents there.
Oh, really? Yeah.
And they really liked it.
How long ago was that?
Ключ.
I think it was the year that they got their star, so it was a
Okay.
while ago.
Yeah.
And it just so happened that I ended up going 3 times that year.
Oh, really?
Sorry?
Yeah, like
It's very, very nice and smelly.
A couple of visits were like
You can you can check the beans on here.
Completely green.
You smell it.
That's amazing.
Very nice, beautiful Arabica.
But also, I just really like.
And the type of Arabica you have it written in
Yes, yeah.
Just nice person.
You know they had a restaurant here before, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I was chatting to Mark, and I remember he had a place in Thailand, but it just never clicked that it was
Yeah,
here.
yeah. It's just it's obviously a funny place to have a restaurant.
Yeah.
It's very challenging. Sorry, funny was the wrong word. Challenging. Well, I think one of the benefits of having a setup like this is it's financially more sound and more, I think, trained, because it was like a thing of a restaurant.
Yeah. There were doing people in there, people in here,
Yeah,
and this is more easy manageable, under control.
to fill the restaurant with 30 others here.
In the middle of
Start
the
it. It's very, very tough. But I don't think there's any bad stuff. I think it was quite amicable.
Yeah. But yeah, my favorite restaurant in South Sebastian was Aquilare, which is kind of
Okay, yeah.
on hill.
Yeah.
I think because the chef looks very old-fashioned. He's got this like,
Okay.
big handlebar moustache,
Yeah.
and he's kind of slightly older, so
Yeah.
it's like he'll do really old-fashioned food probably. But it was really innovative and interesting.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I really need to go to San Sebastian. Have you been there? San Sebastian? I just want to drink white wine and eat sucking pig and fried
Yeah.
and stuff.
I would do all the work.
I definitely have the right place to go. That's the place we go for like cockroach and weird stuff.
So you're going to do a write-up about Indiana, right?
So it's about two properties.
Okay.
And it's basically about how this part of Thailand is like the alternative to Canada. It's quieter. You get everything that you want from the Thailand.
Yes, yeah. Less of the touristy, the super
No
touristy
noise,
stuff.
no crowd.
Yeah, yeah.
You gonna throw us in there?
If you do a dance.
Right guys, so this is our signature dessert now. So obviously it's called the Aulis and it bears the name of our restaurant. So right at the bottom you have some caramelised bananas and caramelised pineapple juice and some brandy. We then make a juice of the pineapple as well around the outside. And then the actual Aulis is made from a local chocolate from Phuket. The variety is called Trinitario. So we make a beautiful mousse, then we kind of take the air out of it and freeze it, so it's very, very cold. And we bronze it just for a beautiful colour.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Very good.